Hello and welcome to our channel Science Up. Today we'll have a deep look at self-learning and data science roadmap. Now we'll explore and analyze what is self-learning and why it is so important nowadays, goal setting and the importance of being consistent to our goals no matter the situation, and we will see together how to get started with data science, a sample roadmap which will help you guys get started into this amazing journey. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and let's keep going guys together. So, self-learning. Nowadays, there are many resources, books, online articles, and so much networking that keep us always updated. But you know what? We all need a good reason to get something done. For example, in school we had to submit projects on time if we wanted to pass the subject. At work, everyday tasks needs to be completed by the deadline. And of course we do these things because we have to. The only reason, for example, we did that at school was to get good grades. And in fact, if we weren't graded on tests or exams, nobody would ever have put so much effort into learning something. Being really young, it's difficult to understand the importance of education and improvement. And this is what makes self-study routes so difficult. Being motivated and start doing things out of passion, such as learning how to code or building new things, being creative, or even joining a new gym class. And while passion helps you get started, it is really true that it does disappear at times. Let's see how to achieve this self-learning journey and keep being productive and dedicated to our goal. It is really important and a good practice to break down our goals. So, long-term goals are things we want to achieve in a couple of years. For example, it could be something like becoming a data scientist, becoming an expert in a programming language, let's say, or mastering a high-level skill, for example, machine learning or deep learning. On the other hand, to achieve what we love in the long term, we first need to break things down in the short term. For example, if my long-term goal is to get really good at the programming language, let's say Python, then my short-term goal will be to join a free online course and complete a project in that language. Let's see what the short-term goal looks like. For example, let's create an end-to-end machine learning model in Python and visualize the findings using a dashboard, or finish reading a textbook on neural networks. Always remember that consistency is the key in everything, being consistent to our goals, to our passion, like everywhere. Data science is undoubtedly one of the hottest jobs nowadays. Let's dive into what really takes to become a self-taught data scientist. I know that when we are given a huge list of books and resources without any context, is really hard and demotivating. This approach is a real struggle and I can totally relate with you. Let's explore together what really matters the most. To become a data scientist, the most important thing is to love data, to be curious, love exploring, and figure out what's going on and why. Start by learning Excel and the basic formulas. Explore some CSV files and start learning the basic math. This needs to be statistics, linear algebra, and calculus. You don't need to be a mathematician to get to know the idea. We just need to love data and what we are doing, and of course enjoy self-learning. Also, get yourself familiar with data analysis concepts and practices, and introduce yourself to data mining concepts. This should be handling missing values, machine learning to get the idea of how an algorithm works, and of course, neural network. Learning at least one programming language and being confident with it is fundamental. This could be Python and/or R. I would definitely suggest Python because of the machine learning side, but for statistics, this should be R. Knowing how to code and prefer this method to solve specific problems is one of the most important skills you can learn, and it's definitely worth it. Start with baby steps. Introduce yourself to if-else statements and logic. Watch some videos and attend an online course, class, or just videos. Keep your notes, get advice, and of course follow others' cheat sheets. Time box your learning and complete small challenging tasks each time. In this data science journey, networking plays a vital role to success. Start following data-related blogs and websites. Subscribe to YouTube science channels and get yourself to the concept of data every day. Connect with people in social media. LinkedIn is definitely an amazing source of networking for data science. Remember that everything is about research, discussions, and sharing ideas. When you get to the point where you need to present your findings or project, it is amazingly important to know how to communicate data and insights. The project might be great, but if we don't know how to present it, nothing then matters. Understand the topic, problem, and the theory behind it. Clearly organize your goals, simple and clear. Learn how to explain your analysis and how you did everything. And definitely consider your audience. Every time your audience might be different. Remember that not everyone is familiar with mathematics, coding, and data analysis. Practice makes perfect. This is always true, even in data science. This industry needs continuous self-development and improvement. Practice your skills and knowledge. Find projects that keep you creative and you find challenging. Split it in small, achievable steps, set deadlines, and keep working on it until it's done and all the expectations are met. Test every scenario around it and make sure it's covered. It is a good practice to keep your files and code in a portfolio. Don't get shocked yet. Believe in yourself as I believe in you and never quit. Everything is about passion. Let me know, guys, what you think, your concerns and questions in the comments below. Believe in yourself, don't forget that, and share your ideas with me. We all need motivation, not in the form of an inspiring quote, of course, but in the form of a challenging project we can use to drive our learning. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to our channel and let's keep working together.